Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and I have a super fun video for you today. I have the top Christmas items to grab at Dollarama before they're gone. Put on your Christmas shirt, hop in your car, and let's go shopping. It may seem early to be shopping for Christmas, but we all know that in order to make sure that you get these items before they're gone, you will want to shop for them early. These are some of the items that I saw in my dollar store yesterday, and today I'm going to show you the ones that I brought home with me. The first thing that caught my eye was this battery-operated train set. It was only $5, and I think it's super cute. The track is a great size, and I think I'm going to use mine around the base of my Christmas tree. Another item that is great to stock up on early while there's a good selection of designs is the dollar store wrapping paper. I found some Paw Patrol, some Disney, and my personal favorite, this Grinch paper. Let me know in the comments what wrapping paper you're looking for this year. I'm going to be honest, I'm a sucker for Christmas movie themed paper. Another must purchase item this holiday season are these lanterns that I found yesterday. I absolutely love these. They are black plastic, but they could easily pass for metal. They are really high quality. You put a couple of batteries in them, turn them on, and they have a beautiful glow. I can't wait to add this classic black piece to my decor this year. I think bottled brush trees are great. They have a really cool, nostalgic vibe to them. And these ones that I found yesterday are a great color. They are beige with a wooden base. They pair perfectly with any neutral holiday decor. I love these little trees on a tiered tray, but they're also great for DIY, so stay tuned to see what I come up with. I found these plain white Kleenex Box Holders, and I think that they are great for the holiday season. It looks great plain, but it's also a great surface for doing a little DIY. These lights are also one of my favorite items. They're LED, they take a couple of batteries, they have a remote, and they change color. You can also set it to flash and strobe and all kinds of things. I think they're great for Christmas and a great surface for some decals or stickers or some kind of DIY. I have a fun idea for this, so stay tuned. If you were to add a design to this, what would you pick? I've been seeing gold bell decor all over Pinterest and in stores this year. And this one is from Kirkland's, but I knew I could create it using dollar store supplies for a lot less. I picked up these little pots, some rope, gold paint, and these little wooden circles. I'll be sharing the how-to instructions for this DIY project soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified when I post future videos. These snow globes are also great for DIYs, and they're super inexpensive. Stock up now because I'll be making something fun with them soon. Reindeer decor is super trendy right now. I picked up these 3 different sizes and styles. They're cube plain, but my idea is to spray paint them black. I'll be sharing my reindeer DIY soon. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of future videos. I have awesome holiday content planned, and I don't want you to miss out. Talk to you next time. Bye.